Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Mark Cook's in the office with us again today, and we're going to go ahead and start talking about the compaction of your house's soil conditions and how it can impact your house and settling and things like that, and what he actually sees out in the field. So, Mark, you want to let us know what you see?
Yeah, so Brian, houses are very heavy structures, and a lot of the houses I look at are built in the 50s, 60s, 70s, where the grading standards weren't as stringent or strict as they are now. So, say a house is pushing down 1,000 pounds a linear foot, it's going to settle into this poorly compacted soil.
Yeah. Yep. So, I mean, think about it. Your house has a footing about this big by this far into the ground. So it's not a whole lot of surface area for it to get that load out and transfer onto the soils. So if you have poor soils, it can easily push down onto the soils. When you think about that next time, that could be a possible cause. Next time we'll talk about another scenario of why houses continue to settle in the next tip of the day. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon.